Hey guys, Becca here from Jades and Lilies. I have a couple new products that I have been dying to try. Go ahead and prime my face. I'm going to go ahead and start with the Kaja Blur Drop. First Aid Beauty Skin Tint. I got mine in medium. There we go. Put it right in the corners. Jeffree Star's. This is the best powder to set your under eyes with. So I'm going to take Kylie's powder, and this is in translucent. Nostalgia's bronzer in rosewood. I'm going to take Wedge. Okay, Kaja Bento boxes. And this has a mirror too. I mean, my goodness. That's absolutely stunning. We are going to take this pigment . So we're gonna do the brows. I'm gonna spray my face right quick with some Fix Plus. Anyway, I need to go. My name is Becca from Jades and Lilies, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.